The next way we're going to use IPFS looks kind of similar to the previous one, but below the level it's quite different. What we now are going to do is run an IPFS node within the browser. And that's what we do is we import this package, so that's the IPFS package, and that just runs the IPFS node within your browser. For the rest, the source is kind of the same. This command is slightly different. You run the IPFS create command, and then you get the IPFS handle as a return value. And then you can, for example, check if it's online or not. And you can check the version, of course. And then you can just retrieve information from it or store information on it, just as we done previously. And when you run it over here, the output looks kind of similar. We see that we are online, so that's what we want. We see the version number, the hash, and the output. So from the outside, this looks exactly the same as the previous one. Only the difference is that we don't have to connect to one of the other gateways, nodes, whatever. So we are completely running peer-to-peer now and independent of any other central system. And if we look at the development console, we can see a little bit of what's going on. You see over here, it's trying to connect to all kinds of other services on the peer-to-peer network. So yeah, it's searching for connections on the peer-to-peer network, and if it all goes well, it finds those connections. And if you look over here at this application here, there's a part called IndexedDB, and this is actually sort of internal database within your browser, and this is where it stores all the blocks and all the data and whatever it has retrieved. So the more data you retrieve, the more information is stored over here. And if something goes completely wrong with your IPFS, you can just delete all those databases over here and then reload your page, and then it just rebuilds everything again.